Hey guys, it's Kilby Browne from the Property Hats New York City Team. Hope you're having a fantastic day. The early bird catches the worm. Sunrise over Hudson Yards. Let's glance over Hoboken and look at the Freedom Tower, downtown New York City. Yeah, man, that's where it's at. So, June 23rd, the real estate market has finally opened up this week. And supply on the market, Manhattan's 5,630. Pending, that number is up 10.5% from last month, down 27% from last year at this time. Pending sales 1,684. Off market 4,473. So, well, what's off market? Come on the market. Is now the right time to buy? Or was that time in March? As we can show apartments now, good time to make a decision, good time to get out there and see what the solution is for you. Whether you're looking to leave the city, or you're looking to change neighborhoods, find a different place, now might be a great time to purchase, or now might be a great time to market your place and make a move. This guy's making a move. Hey, whoever said there's not wildlife in the tri-state area? So Maris Edge and I, we're here to help you. If you need some guidance, please follow our YouTube channel, like, comment, subscribe. Have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.